It wasn't even on. Now it's on. What are you doing, Carys?
I'm just trying to put this in.
No. What, are you taking your... Is that going to war?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but hairband's going to war. Okay. You need it. Why will you need it?
Just in case it's a very special hairband.
What's special about it?
It keeps you safe in war.
It keeps you safe in war? How does it do that?
It's very clever because it's magic.
It's magic. Oh.
It won't break this hairband today.
No, I don't think so.
I love it.
Okay. It's a lot to pack before you go to war, isn't it, Carys?
It's a lot of packing I need to do.
Have you finished now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now get yourself sorted.
I need to put a bit of this in to make it
Oh dear me. You're nearly there, Carys. Why do you keep looking at me like that? There's a clever girl.
I have to... Carys, can you help me?
Good girl. There you are. Party dress off to war. There we are.
Carys, can you help me?
You got your party shoes on as well.
Can you go get some more?
Well, how will you can't go in the trenches with your party shoes on. Oh, Will, you're going to get into trouble.
No, I always do.
I don't know so much.
I'll tell you what Will need to do.
What?
You need to have the flour on him now.
Pardon?
It's easier to get the mud off under it. You need to have the flour.
What, the flour? What does he want flour for?
To wash all the mud off him. It's always cold. I don't like
You don't like what?
I don't like the flour.
Don't you?
Will doesn't.
What is he doing?
It's not scary.
It's not scary,
Supposed
is
to be
it?
scary.
Cool.
Think I better go and get something? See, it's scary.
Think you better go what?
Let's go and get something from inside.
Okay. You busy, Will?
Yeah, I need to get some stuff.
What for? Do you think you'll get into trouble for making all this mess on the wall?
Well, sorry for you like this.
Goodness me.
But, I'm on telly.
I think my battery's getting a bit low, actually.
Yay, now you don't get to do any filming?
No, I won't. I think I'll have to put it on charge.
You have a charger one.
Pardon?
You have a chargeable one.
Have I got a charger?
You got a chargeable.
Yes, I've got a charger with me.
Oh, great.
Why?
I didn't want you to do any rubbish in any videos.
Shall I stop now? Say goodbye to Uncle Gareth and I'll stop.
Goodbye, Uncle Gareth.
You didn't hear that? Look at the
Goodbye, Uncle Gareth!
camera.